Well, of course, hot. It was humid for us today. Temperatures right around 100 degrees. We've been in a heat advisory. Also, those heat indices a little bit up there as well throughout the afternoon. Looks good, though. We have some clouds dropping through Indigo Sky Casino and Resort. Of course, Indigo just southwest of Seneca, Missouri. But heat advisories stay in effect. This is going to be tomorrow and then through Friday, and then we'll see what happens as we head into the weekend. But it's still hot. It's 94 in Carthage, a little bit cooler southwest Missouri, some thicker clouds and a few showers. 96 Miami, 97 in Fort Scott. Yates Center is sitting at 100 degrees. We're going to look at 7th and Rangeline sitting at 95. Feels like 101 across the area. And it looks like our temperatures are going to stay pretty consistent as we go through the next several days. Upper 90s in Missouri. These are heat indices. And then lower triple digits once you get out across southeast Kansas, northeastern parts of Oklahoma. The wind has made it feel at least a little bit better. We've had winds kind of gusting today. Well, mainly in that 10 to 20 range, but gusts have been a little bit higher than that. We've had winds kind of gusting 25, 30, 32 miles per hour at times. And it stays breezy as we go into Thursday. Winds gusting kind of 20 to about 25, and then much of the same as we go into Friday as well. So at least that makes things a little bit better. All right, a little batch of clouds kind of have been dropping through. A few little random showers. We're looking at Berry County, McDonald County, really from Beaver Lake, just north of Table Rock Lake. But that's it. But at least some people are getting some very light showers. Besides that, not a whole bunch going on. Still dominated by the big dome of high pressure, our heat dome, which is causing this heat wave across the area. And until that breaks down, we're going to continue with the heat. In fact, as we go toward the weekend, look, it inches in a little bit closer. There's going to be some weak waves rotating around it, giving us slight chances for showers and a few thunderstorms. But this really sits on us all the way through the middle of next week and then finally starts to break down a little bit late next week. So if you want some relief, we have to wait at least 1 week to get even minor relief. All right, let's go through the next 48 hours. Tonight, we only drop back upper 70s to near 80. We're going to have partly cloudy skies again for us tomorrow. There is a slight chance we could get a random shower. We're going to stop at about 4:30 in the afternoon. See a couple random little isolated showers. But look at our temps. 103 Stockton, 99 Miami, Parsons up to about 100 degrees. Tomorrow night, dropping back near 80. Once again, then as we go into Friday, really much of the same. Slight chance for an isolated pop-up shower. Temperatures upper 90s to near 100 degrees. Also, our heat indices are going to be up there again tomorrow. 105, 106. These are going to be up there as well as we go into Friday afternoon. All right, here's your forecast. Alert days the next 2 days due to the heat and the humidity near 100 all the way through the weekend. A couple pop-up storms over the weekend. Possible alert days Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday due to the heat increasing a bit. And then finally a little bit of relief by next weekend.
It couldn't increase more than a bit because we are bumping the ceiling right now.
Yeah, it's kind of crazy.
Thanks, Doc.